Hello! Let's talk today about how things used to be long time ago, that is, states and habits in the past. Well, first it might be useful to spend a little time looking at the rules and examples. So how the used to is formed. Form. Positive. Used to plus infinitive. Example. I used to play in the garden in my childhood. Question form. Did, used to. В вопросительной форме перед подлежащим ставится вспомогательный глагол did. К глаголу окончание ed не добавляется. Глагол ставится в начальной форме. Example. Did you used to play in the garden in your childhood? Negative. Didn't used to. В отрицательной форме после подлежащего ставится вспомогательный глагол did и отрицательная частица not. Глагол ставится в начальной форме. Example. I didn't used to play in the garden in my childhood. Well, that is how the used to is formed. Now let's see, when do we use it? We use it for something that happened regularly in the past, or for something that was true, but no longer is. Read and follow the rules. Used to. Something happened regularly in the past, but no longer happens. Used to используется при описании событий, которые регулярно происходили в прошлом, а потом прекратились либо на время, либо насовсем. Example. I used to go to the south with my parents when I was a child. Когда я был ребенком, мы ездили с родителями на юг. Имеется в виду неоднократно, возможно, каждое лето. Something was true, but no longer is. Оборот used to используется также при описании состояний, которые имели место в прошлом, а потом изменились. Example. She used to be afraid of dogs when she was a child. Когда она была ребенком, она боялась собак. Это было давно, и сейчас все изменилось. He used to have curly hair when he was a child. Когда он был ребенком, у него были кудрявые волосы. We used to live in Spain, but now we live in France. Раньше мы жили в Испании, а теперь живем во Франции. Used to refers to past habits and states. Итак, оборот used to plus infinitive выражает привычное, регулярное действие в прошлом, а также состояние и ситуации, которые имели место в прошлом, но теперь изменились, либо прекратились. Well, grammar rules give us the ground to communicate clearly and effectively. But did you know that grammar rules and poetry writing live inside the same space? Writers respect the rules of grammar. Let's study the following poem and see how it follows the rules of the used to grammar. Listen, read, and repeat the first part of the poem, The Beauty of the World. I used to see the stars at night. I used to hear the birds. I used to feel the warmth of the sun. I used to smell the springtime flowers and sing so happily. I used to sing a song about the beauty of the world. Marvelous, isn't it? Well, I hope you're ready for some practice now. Let's play the mix and match game to be sure you understood the used to plus infinitive grammar correctly. Look at the picture of Mike. Match the parts of the sentences to know what Mike used to do when he was younger. This is Mike. He is 30 now. Mike used to live in Warwick. Now he works in London. He used to go to school, where he wore a very traditional uniform. He used to take the train to school, but now he drives. When he was younger, he didn't used to eat fish, but now he eats a lot. He used to eat a lot of chocolate. Now he is on a diet. He used to play the piano, but now he plays the guitar. He used to have a motorbike. Now he drives a modern car. Well done. Now think of yourself when you were little and finish the sentence. When I was 5, I used to. Okay, I'll start. When I was 5, my father used to take me out fishing, and he used to tell me that if I talked, the fish could hear me and be scared away. To this day, when I go fishing, I hardly say one word. Now it's your turn. When I was 5, I used to go to the kindergarten. I used to watch TV with my dolls. I used to eat a lot of chocolate. I used to speak like a child. I used to have a small bike. I used to be scared of bugs. I used to be curious and ask my parents a lot of questions. You've got the idea. Let's move on to the next task. The idea of this task is for you to practice the question forms and short answers. I'll ask you the questions and you'll answer. When you were 5, did you used to go to the kindergarten? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to watch TV with your dolls? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to eat a lot of chocolate? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to speak like a child? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to have a small bike? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to be scared of bugs? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did you used to be curious and ask your parents a lot of questions? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Great! You got the idea of question forms and short answers. I'm sure you're ready to follow this grammar in the second part of the poem, The Beauty of the World. Listen, read, and repeat. Did you used to see the stars shining in the night? Did you used to hear the birds and feel the sun? Did you used to smell the flowers The colors were so bright. I used to sing a song about the beauty of the world. Nice, isn't it? Now I think it's time to play right now. Let's train your brain. You'll see the words, and your task will be to put them in the correct order. To be, here, a cinema, there, didn't use. There didn't used to be a cinema here. To go, theater, to the, he didn't use. He didn't used to go to the theater. Tennis, she, to play, used to, didn't. She didn't used to play tennis. To live, they didn't in use a big house. They didn't used to live in a big house. Fantastic! It's time to finish. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you again. By the way, ask your parents or grandparents, what did they used to do in their childhood? Goodbye for now, and good luck!